Hey guys, Apple's iPhone 4 is shaping up to be a game changer in the world of budget-friendly smartphones, and it's already creating serious buzz. Set for an early 2025 release, this model combines classic design with high-end features, making it a perfect pick for those who want flagship-like quality without the premium price tag. Let's dive into the top 5 biggest upgrades coming to the iPhone 4. Number 1, A18 Bionic chip with 8GB RAM. The iPhone 4 will pack the powerful A18 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the latest iPhone 16 lineup. This upgrade means incredible speed, seamless multitasking, and next-level graphics. With 8GB of RAM, you can expect Apple's intelligence to work smoothly, making this phone a performance beast that rivals higher-end models. Number 2, Apple's in-house 5G modem. This will be the first SE to feature Apple's own 5G modem, stepping away from third-party suppliers. This shift allows Apple to optimize the C4 for faster 5G speeds, smoother streaming, and even better online gaming. Plus, Apple gains full control over costs and quality, which could mean a more affordable price without compromising on connectivity. Number 3, stunning 6.1-inch OLED display. For the first time, an iPhone SE will feature a larger 6.1-inch OLED screen, a massive upgrade from the previous LCD displays. With OLED, expect richer colors, deeper blacks, and overall better energy efficiency. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or just scrolling, the C4 display will deliver a premium viewing experience at a mid-range price. Number 4, 48-megapixel rear camera. The C4 is set to debut with a powerful 48-megapixel camera, an impressive upgrade for capturing clear, detailed shots. You'll be able to zoom and crop photos without losing quality. And yes, the front camera is getting an upgrade too, so expect better selfies and sharper video calls. Number 5. Enhanced battery and USB-C charging. With a larger 3,279 mAh battery, this 4 should easily outlast its predecessor by hours. That's over 1,250 mAh more capacity, meaning longer streaming, gaming and browsing time. And in a first for the SE series, it will include USB-C charging, making it Apple's only mid-range phone with this feature. All in all, the iPhone 4 is set to become a mid-range powerhouse, bringing flagship-level upgrades to Apple's most affordable lineup. Priced between $499 and $549, it's sure to attract a huge crowd of tech enthusiasts and budget shoppers alike. So, which feature are you most excited about? Drop a comment below and let us know. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.